Let's talk about it. Okay, so this is one of the many villas that can be found on the Tills Beach Resort property. And the one we're going to talk about today costs $350 for a night. This is the 2-bedroom, and there's also a 3-bedroom which costs $450 USD. So let's talk about all that you get if you decide to pay any of these. One thing I like about these villas is the design. It has this minimalistic box shapes which looks really modern, and you're going to get the same design for all the villas that are available. When you decide to get any of these villas, you get your own personal pool on your compound, which has been separated from every other compound with its nicely made wooden fences. That looks really cool. It doesn't separate you totally from everybody, so you feel like you have your personal space. And all these face the sea, so it actually looks really cool. You get this nice ambience, nice sound from the ocean anytime that you decide to spend time over here. That is my favorite part of staying in any of these villas. Let's take a look at what comes inside the 350 villa if you decide to come for it. So inside you have this very huge living space with a 3-seater, a 1-seater, a dining set right in the living space. It feels very, very comfortable. And the people that were in charge of the design, furniture, their choice and everything in here did an amazing job. Personally, I really like the fact that it came to this huge speaker, so if you decide to come here with a couple of friends to have your own party, you can actually do it here without having to worry about bringing in a DJ or anything like this. This is very loud. You can have all the fun that you want in the space. One of my favorite features of this space is that due to the fact that this has been enclosed by huge glasses, you get an unobstructed view of the ocean even if you find yourself in the kitchen or in the living space. We're going to talk about the kitchen very soon, but that is very nice. Sitting in a 3-seater and still being able to see the Atlantic Ocean is really, really cool. Right to the right side is the kitchen, which I personally say is my favorite spot in this villa. I don't know why, but the way they integrated all the cabinets, the fridge, everything hidden, looking very, very minimal with one color and tone, I really, really like it. Their own design of a very small island that you can actually sit around after you cook is very, very cool. They provided a dining set that you can actually sit very close to the kitchen if you're eating, if you don't want to worry anybody that's chilling in the living space. So the kitchen has almost everything. Like I said, you can find your blenders, your microwaves, the stove for cooking. They even have a lot of spices in there ready for you if you decide to come here with your own provisions to make your own food. So that is really nice. The kitchen is definitely my favorite spot. It was designed very, very nicely. That's where I'm going to spend a lot of my time learning how to cook or do anything like that. Right from the living space, if you decide to go check out the bedrooms, right before you get to the second bedroom, there is a guest washroom that you can actually use. This has just a WC, but the space is so clean, so minimal, nicely designed again, and anybody that decides to use the space is really going to enjoy. In this villa, you get 2 bedrooms, one on the left and one on the right side, with queen size beds available. Personally, I like the fact that they provided small lights in it. Some of us don't like huge lights, like the light that when you turn on your room, the whole place gets lit. They have the small ambience lamps on the side of the beds, which makes it very, very nice. If you want to create an ambience anytime that you're there without turning on the huge lights, you can actually use any of this. The rooms also have ACs, and guys, they are so cool. Take care that you're going to freeze yourself if you decide to spend the night in here. In front of the bed, you have this little cabinet with a TV that you can chill here, but I found myself over here just watching stuff on my own laptop whilst I'm on FaceTime calls and stuff on my bed, so I didn't really even turn on the TV whilst I was there. But the space was very, very neatly arranged. The bed was very, very comfortable. And now that takes me to the washroom. It actually comes with a heater inbuilt, so if you feel like the AC is too cold, you can actually go there, turn that on, and take a very warm shower. Just imagining you and somebody in that shower, this steam and all that place is It's actually going to be cool. PG. Let's keep it PG. Let's keep it PG over here. The washroom is very, very well made. It's very minimal. Everything in this apartment is very minimal, so I really like that. You have the staircase that leads you to the top of the building, which gives you the rooftop view of the ocean right in front of you. This is where you definitely want to come here with a tent on you, watch the ocean, watch the fishermen do their stuff over there. So that is very, very nice too. And now let's talk about the price. For $350, what do you think about it? Initially, I thought it was a little too expensive, but check this out. If I decide to spend time with my friends here, and we are 4 in total, we all pay about $90 each, roughly, and we can actually spend the night here. $90 for the 4 of us. What you're going to get is this amazing view, a private pool for us. You get unlimited Wi-Fi to use here. The Wi-Fi here was actually very, very fast, so I like it. You get a huge living space for you guys to watch your TV, watch movies, watch anything like that, right? You get this kitchen space all to yourself. You can actually cook, and they even give you some spices to use. And even around the pool is a very huge green grass that you can even do a party, a picnic, anything that you want to do. I think for $350, you're actually paying for this whole space, not just the room, the whole space, the internet, the swimming pool, 24/7 security. There are security men always there, so that is really, really, really cool. And if you don't want to chill in the villas, they actually have executive rooms, deluxe rooms, which start from about 1,200 or so to about 1,300. So you can still be on the property but not using the villa. And if you do that and you want to swim, you can go visit the infinity pool and still have the amazing view of the ocean and engage in all the fun activities that they have on the property. They have a bar, they have an infinity pool, they have a spa, they have a volleyball court, and a whole lot that you can actually do when you're here. So guys, let me know what you think about this $350 villa in the comment section down below. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, leave in the comment section anything you think about these videos and any place you want me to go check out and share with you guys. And as usual, I'll come back with you another week with another video. Stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.